Pondboy from Pondboy's Angling Adventures. It's 60 degrees out. I have some carp surfacing in this slick over here. The water's still kind of high and hard to paddle in, so I'm glad these are close to where I launched. I do have my dry suit on from Mythic gear, which is probably the most affordable dry suit available. And you're like, why? It's 60 degrees. Because the water is still freezing. Should I fall into a deeper hole, I could be in some serious trouble. So, until the water warms up, I keep the dry suit on. It's the safest way to go, and should I fall in a deep hole, it will save my life. So, I don't know if you can see, but straight out there, you'll see these things rising. There's carp eating all the dead gnats that have pulled up in this slick right here. I planned on fishing downriver, just paddling up a little bit to get here. I'm glad I didn't go downriver because I would have died trying to get back upstream. Right now I just have some coconut flavored corn. I'm trying to drift it by them without casting right on top of them. Whenever I get close, I get pulled into the heavier current. I use these longer rods, not just for carp, but to keep my line out of the water so I have a better chance. So I have a better chance of keeping my presentation in the water where I want it. There he goes. Yes.
Portions of this video were recorded with Pivot Head Video Recording Eyewear, the 2012 Gear of the Year.
I'm fishing the lake so blue, come and join my crew. You could be catch of the day at DuPageAngler.com. That's a wrap!